Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the blue brick large red damselfly in Heartopia during the Modular Street event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Let me show you my collection and I'm going to open up my insect story. Okay, and these are the brick insects from this current town festival, which is the Modular Street Festival. And I'm going to open the blue brick large red damselfly. Okay, basically guys, if you want to catch this brick insect, you need to go to the forest, and for this blue brick large red damselfly, it's from the deer tower. So you can go to the deer tower. It's right here. I'm already at the deer tower, and then you're going to equip your net and start to explore this area to catch the blue brick large red damselfly. And you can catch it in any weather guys, anytime. And yeah, just explore this area and you'll find the blue brick large red damselfly. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the blue brick large red damselfly in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.